I'm Shannon, the garden girl from Georgina Garden Centre. Welcome to our garden center. I promised in the podcast that we were going to give you a tour, so come on in. It's the long weekend, our busiest time of the year. We're getting shipments in every single day. As you can see ahead, we still are unloading some things. When you first come in the front door off to the left, we have our herb section. We have already planted up herbs. If you just want to grab and go, we can always make one up for you. If you want to pick your herbs you want in there, we can put it in a container and plant for you. Or you can just pick your own and make something up at home or plant right in the garden. We have a lot of different herbs. We have 3-inch right up to 2-gallon size pots, all different kinds, all different varieties, something for everybody. Lots of different. Basil is my favorite. I always do a lot of them. And mix and match is nice. Then over next after the herbs are the vegetables. And our vegetables, we have rows and rows and rows of vegetables. They start alphabetically just to make it easier to find what you're looking for. So if you start at the beginning of your bench and work your way up and down every row, you'll find everything that you're looking for. And more coming in every day. We have a whole section dedicated just to tomatoes and peppers, which I'll show you. There are a couple of aisles up. We have fresh herbs. We're just unloading right now.
They just come in, didn't they?
Yes, nice and fresh. So down this row here, we have a lot of heirloom tomatoes, all your regular tomatoes. They come in all different sizes, cell packs, 3-inch, 4-inch. We have them, you can see through here. We have patio tomatoes ready to go. They have blooms on them, so you won't be long to get tomatoes. That one actually has tomatoes started on it already. We have hanging tomatoes, so pretty much any way you want them, we have them. We also have a lot of peppers. So our peppers are organized sweet, and then it goes hot, and then it goes very, very hot. So our really hot ones with the reaper and everything, we have those as well. Way down here, and they go so quickly, so if you want your hot peppers and you want a good selection, come soon, because they go so fast. So these are all our hot peppers. This one here is the world's hottest, the Reaper. They go quickly. I've warned you, they go quickly. Okay, so come in for those right away. If that's your thing. If it's not, if you want something a little less hot, like a jalapeno or whatever, we have those as well. We also have, after our vegetables is the shade area. So everything in this area is all shade plants or part sun, so morning sun or late day sun. Lots of things to choose from, hanging baskets and cell packs, 4-inch pots, 6-inch pots, and planters. Once you get past there, we have a lot of our gallon size pots. So these ones are kind of almost already, they'll still fill out, but they're closer to full grown than their little cell packs or 4-inch. We have a good selection of them as well. All the way. Lots of different colors, a little bit for everybody. These are also, the gallon pots are really good too if you want to make a really big container. The plants are already filled out, so the planter looks like it's been planted for a lot longer than just putting all the little 4-inch guys together. Then we have, as you can see, we're still unloading all this stuff. We have all our 4-inch. These are all trailers, so anything you want to put in a planter or a hanging basket that will trail over the side. The last 4 rows of the garden center are all dedicated just to those type of plants, so it makes it easier. If you know what you want, you kind of can go to one section of the greenhouse instead of having to go all different corners of it. Makes shopping a little bit easier. We have a lot of different types of ivies. We have Jenny. We have Million Bells, Verbena, all the good traditional, what everyone likes. This one here is so cool. This one is called Night Sky. It's a petunia. Look at the spots on it. It does look like you're looking up into the sky at night. That's a really, really neat one. We also have a black petunia as well. This one are about as true black as you can get. They look really nice with like a lime potato vine or creeping Jenny. The colors go well together. We have some begonias for the sun. Yes, there are begonias for the sun, not just the shade. As you can see, there's lots of stuff to choose from. Lots of color, and we're craving this color. We're craving this warm weather we're having, so it's so nice to have the warm weather and a lot of color. It's a perfect time of year. Then we have all our cell packs, and it goes back around, and we'll just quickly go up to the front cache. funny spot, you have to have a Gerber daisy. You can't help but smile when you see them. So once you've gotten everything on your cart, you're ready to check out, you come up through the front here. This is our gift area, so we have lots of gift items. We have pots to put all your planters in and any other things you want for your patio, and then our checkouts. Hope to see you guys all here this weekend.